Receiving the invitation from the country mouse, the town mouse packed this bag and caught the next train to the countryside. The day was bright and sunny, and soon the town mouse began to feel hot in the train. So here students, the country mouse invited his cousin, the town mouse, to come to the village. So the town mouse packed his bags and he catch the next train to the countryside. So the day was very bright and sunny. बहुत ज़्यादा धूप थी उस दिन. Soon the town mouse began to feel hot in the train. So he's feeling very hot in the train. So I wish there was an air-conditioned coach, he said to himself. I feel very uncomfortable here. So what the town mouse wishing? That the train was air-conditioned. Air-conditioned means AC रहना train में बोल के सोच रहे. But he's saying to himself only. And why he's saying that? Because he's feeling very uncomfortable there. So see these two mouses. By seeing the dresses of two mouses, you can identify the who is town mouse and who is country mouse. So by looking the dress of this mouse, who is he? Country mouse. And he is, you can see the bag also, where is coming? To his cousin. So he is a town mouse. Okay. However, there was nothing he could do about it. So he grumbled to himself while the train chugged slowly into the country. The country mouse was waiting at the station. So the town mouse can't do anything about the situation. So he started grumbling to himself. Grumbled means badbadana. Say something in a muted way, badbadana. And the train started to chug slowly into the country. Chugged means giving the sound of an engine while the train slowly moving into the country. And the country mouse is waiting at the station for his cousin, to receive his cousin. Oh, cousin, the town mouse said as soon as he got off the train. The train was dreadful. I feel terribly hot and thirsty. I hope you have something ice cold for me to drink at home. So while the train gets off, the town mouse said to his cousin, oh cousin, this train was very bad. I feel very badly. Dreadful means bad, terribly means very badly. It is very bad and too hot, and I am very thirsty. Thirsty means pyas lagna. So he's asking to his cousin, something is there at your home to eat or drink, like cold drink or ice cream? He's asking to his cousin. Well, I have some water, said the country mouse, but I can look around for some coconut water if you like. What this country mouse saying to town mouse? Oh, I have some water, but I will look around and I will bring some coconut water to you if you like it. Coconut water? Asked the town mouse in horror. Don't you have any orange juice or lemonade? What is town mouse asking? Coconut water? You don't have orange juice or lemonade? Lemonade means a drink made up of lemon. I am afraid not, replied the cousin. But I found a very nice piece of fruit today and a tender bit of sugarcane. I am sure you will enjoy that. What he's saying? I don't afraid. He's saying to his cousin, I found a very nice piece of fruit today. Root today means that is radish, carrot, right? Beetroot like that. And a soft bit of sugarcane. Tender bit means soft bit of sugarcane. And he's saying to his cousin, you will enjoy if you eat that. Root? Sugarcane? The town mouse exclaimed. But I don't eat raw food like that. So what this town mouse saying? Root, sugarcane, I don't like raw food. Raw food means uncooked food. And he started to exclaim. Exclaim means he's saying in a low voice like crying, oh root, sugarcane, I don't like that raw food. कच्चा खाना मुझे पसंद नहीं है. Who is saying that? Town mouse. The country mouse said, this is what we eat in the country, so I am afraid you too have to eat this. Try it, it's not bad. What the country mouse is saying to town mouse, we eat this only in the country, and please you also try it. It's not that much bad that how you are thinking. Try it, you will enjoy. He is saying to town mouse. The town mouse did not enjoy his dinner at all. He nibbled at the root in the sugar cane and then said he wanted to sleep. The country mouse showed a corner in the mouse hole and said, "There you are, you can sleep there." So this town mouse did not enjoy the food. Why? Because he disliked that raw food. He don't like to root sugar cane. So he just nibbled. The nibble means taking a little amount of food only. If your mother cooks the dish which you don't like, so what you will do? You eat just little amount of food. Like that only the town mouse also taken little amount of food and he wanted to sleep now. So he asked the country mouse to show the place where he want to sleep. So the country mouse showed a corner in the mouse hole. Country mouse shown a place where he have to sleep. There you are, you can sleep there, the country mouse said to the town mouse.